Today we're going to be making pop-up castles. You'll need 2 pieces of card, some scissors, some glue or tape, and something to decorate your castle with. I'm using pens. First we're going to make the box that will form your castle. On the short side of the card, fold a flap about 1 centimetre, it doesn't matter exactly. This is the bit that will join your box together. Keeping a short edge folded over. Fold the whole piece in half. Open it up again. And where you've got the crease in the middle, fold each edge to the middle. Turn it over and do the other side. You should now have a piece of card, 1, 2, 3, 4, same size sections, and a shorter flap at the end which will join your box together. Take your piece of card, fold it back up so you have the 4 sections folded together, the flap at the end. Now you're going to draw your castle shape. About halfway up. Next, cut out your castle shape, cutting through all 4 layers at the same time. This may be a little bit tricky. If you need help, just ask someone. Once you've finished cutting out your castle shape, open it out. The next thing we need to do is to make a flap along the bottom. This is where you'll join your castle to the bottom piece of card. Now for this, you only need the flaps on 2 pieces, on 2 walls. So this piece here and this piece here. Cut off. You need to cut just the length of the flap there and cut off the corner. Just cut up to where the flap folds and then cut off 2 sections. You may also want to trim it at the top. So you now have your castle shape ready to decorate. I'm going to use pens to decorate my castle. The first thing I'm going to do draw a door. Which I'm going to cut around so that it will open. It's up to you though if you want a door, you may or may not want a door. Then get decorating. Once you've decorated your castle, you're ready for the next bit. I've drawn a little ghost on the inside of my door when you open it, drawn a tree, cat, some flowers along the bottom. It's completely up to you what you put on your castle. The next stage is to join it together to make it into a box. So the flap at the end, we're going to glue right there. And join that so you've made a square. Join it together like that. If you haven't got glue, you could use tape, staple it, whatever you've got that will stick it together. And then these two flaps at the bottom of your castle, fold those up like that. Castle now has 4 sides and it's like a square box. Now put your castle to one side, take your second piece of card, and all we need to do with this is just fold it in half. You want to put the castle nearer the front of your piece of card, and the reason for this is if you put it too far back, when you fold your card up, your castle will stick out. If that doesn't bother you, that's fine. You can put your castle where you like. I'm going to put mine near the front. To start with, we're just going to glue one flap. One flap at the bottom of the castle. Line up that corner with the crease and the back corner with the crease, making it as square as you can. The next step is to stick the second flap down. You fold your castle back on itself and then fold it flat and put some glue on the second flap. Fold the whole piece of card over on itself, like that. Open it back up. We have a pop-up castle. My castle is a little bit tall, so when you fold it up, it sticks out the side. If that bothers you, you could always stick it on a bigger bit of paper, and then when you fold it up, it wouldn't stick out. It's completely up to you.